subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is gearing up to launch its upcoming flagship smartphone under Galaxy S20 series and has revealed its teaser poster. Earlier, there were several leaks related to Galaxy S20, and now a new leak has spotted online by XDA developers showing the live front and back image of upcoming Galaxy S20 Plus 5G smartphone. According to live images, the Galaxy S20 Plus is seen to have a centrally aligned punch hole at the top of the display for selfie camera, and it looks smaller compared to Galaxy Note 10. The device is reported to come equipped by 2.5D curved glass at the front, and it is expected to support 120Hz screen refresh rate. The rear panel of the phone looks to be glass finish with curved edges and has quad camera setup at the top left corner in a big squarish module, including LED flash. And along with the cameras, there is also something that looks to be a microphone, which means the Galaxy S20 Plus will have zoom in mic feature that helps to improve audio quality in videos. The camera details were not known at present, but we can expect to include a regular RGB sensor as main camera accompanied by a wide angle lens plus telephoto lens and a macro lens. The volume rockers along with the power button appears on the right edge. And notably, there is no dedicated Bixby button present on this device like the Galaxy S10. The handset is expected to come powered by Exynos 990 chipset or Snapdragon 865 chipset. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy S20 Plus has leaked so far. Now, talking about the release date, Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy S20 Plus smartphone along with the other Galaxy S20 series phones at Samsung's Unpacked event in San Francisco, that is on February 11th. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy S20 Plus smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.